You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is a surname. If you want to learn more confusing names, surnames, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, including from the NBA. Stay tuned. Pronounced as Teague. Yes, it's a long E sound. I know it can be a little bit confusing. Yeah, T, just like T, you know, T-E-A, T, and then just a G sound, a G sound. So it's not Teague or Teague or just Teague. How to pronounce Teague? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.